The Philippines is known for many things, and one of them is the balisong, or butterfly knife. It is a type of folding pocket knife that is said to have been developed and perfected in the Philippines. It has two handles that completely conceal the blade when closed. In fact, there is a place called Balisong in the town of Taal in the province of Batangas. There are conflicting claims on the origin of balisong. Some say it started in France and was brought to the Philippines by a Spaniard soldier in the early 1900s. But one thing is for sure, it became a weapon of choice for Filipinos during the war against the Americans. The rest, as they say, is history.
The balisong itself, it is not from the Philippines, but definitely it was developed by a Filipino, by a Batangueño, from Taal, Batangas, and the place where Ka Perfecto de Leon came from is called Barrio Balisong.
But sadly, the art of balisong making is slowly vanishing. Diosdado Ona is one of the finest balisong makers in Taal, Batangas. Now he says the craft is fading away. Disasters even worsen the situation. In January 2020, the Taal volcano erupted, forcing him and thousands of other residents to evacuate. A month later, the pandemic happened.
So mahirap po ang hanap buhay namin ito sa ngayon. Ay baka ho 90%. Oo, 90%. Survival na nga ho itong sa amin ito. Parang gusto ko salamat ho kung may bumili, may maibibili ng bigas.
If it weren't for social media, balisong makers like Ona would be in more serious trouble. At least during lockdown, local and international collectors could still buy from them.
Nagkaroon kami ng komunikasyon na ganyan sa tulong na rin ng bagong ngayong yung Facebook. Malaki ho na itulong niyan dahil nung kailan wala po niyan eh. Kung paano makikipag-communicate kayo sa ibang tao, sa ibang bansa, ganun po.
But technology is a double-edged sword. This technology also allows the production of knockoffs and also encourages the youth to take on more high-tech jobs.
Parang alam mo naman mga kabataan ngayon, pag gusto nila yung nag-abroad, OFW, o nagmamanila, no, para sa kanila, pag nagtapanday ka ng balisong, parang backward job. No? Hindi sila interesado. So it's already a vanishing craft or arts, a vanishing trade, and the worst is China is already faking the balisong.
Liza Villanueva, who is in the balisong business for 20 years now, shares the same sentiment. Even her children are not interested in the craft.
Alam mo ngayon ng mga bata, puro ang hawak na ngayon gadgets. Diba? Hindi gaya no na obligado talagang tumulong sa magulang na magawa. Ngayon ang mga bata, yun nakakapag-aral na.
But it is not yet too late. The government can and must do something to address the issue.
Ang dapat po ay tulungan ng ating gobyerno kung paano mabubuhay ito. Meron pong may posibilidad na kung gagawin lang ng gobyerno ito ay mananatiling buhay.
Paano po kaya?
Iangkap po ito sa edukasyon ng mga bata.
In the Philippines, the people from this province of Batangas are known to be fierce warriors. And the balisong, or the butterfly knife, is a testament to that. Sadly, however, the art of balisong making is a vanishing craft, and the likes of Diosdado Ona are the ones who keep it alive. Camila Lamia, See Today, Batangas, Philippines.